Hey guys, this is Mihir and in this video we are going to discuss about stringizing operator. So as the name suggests, stringizing, all it does is it takes a text from you, converts it into a string. It's as simple as putting double quotes around a text. Although there are some more layers to it like backslashing and all that we will see in this video. First, let's take an example. Here we have a simple program printing hello world. Let's make use of stringizing operator here. We will define a macro make str. Inside it we take a parameter, make it a string. So instead of doing this, we will do it like this now. And this is basically the same thing. Let's run this first and let's explain it then. Here you see. So getting to the code, basically we just pass this hello world to the make str macro, it converted into a string. So if we see the pre-processed output like gcce stringizing operator, here you can see after the preprocessor stage, this make str hello world got converted to this. So back to the code. Basically all this does is like when you do this hash str inside the macro definition, it will just convert the argument you passed into a string literal, and that's all it does. You pass hello world, it just puts quotes around it. But there's something more to it. Like if you have quotes inside this text, if you have something like this, what it will do is it will also backslash these quotes. So let's see that. We will save this and check the pre-processed output. Here you see it produces this. It puts quotes around the complete text and backslashes the quotes inside the text. So one more thing in this case, if you put backslashes inside this string literal, like you have something like this, backslash n, then a backslash x, or let's say a backslash n, then what it will do is all the backslash inside this string literal, they will be backslashed again. Let's see this in practice. So what will happen is now these two backslashes will be converted to 4 because each of them will be backslashed. Let's try running it. We will get the prepared output. Here you see. So each backslash was backslashed again. But this only happens for the backslashes inside a string literal that is getting stringified. So if I had a backslash outside it, nothing would happen to this. So if I try running this, here you see, this backslash stays the same. Similar thing happens for single quotes. Let's see that. So if instead of double quotes, we have single quotes here. Now the difference would be the single quotes themselves won't be backslashed, but the contents inside the single quotes that have backslashes will be backslashed again. So this would again be 4 backslashes, but this would not be like this. So let's see this. Here you see. So single quotes remain the same, but the contents inside the single quotes that are backslashes are backslashed again. The outside slash stays the same. So basically there are these 3 rules for stringification. First is that if there's some text, then just put double quotes around it. Second is that if the text contains double quotes inside it, then backslash those double quotes. Third rule is that if the text contains a pair of single or double quotes and inside those quotes there are some backslashes, then backslash them again. So that's all about stringizing operator in C. I will add some links in the description that point to the documentation of this operator, and also I will try to take some examples that use this operator in practice in the upcoming videos.